Guys, so today we're going to be going over the Chat GPT Plugin Store. Now, just a brief overview of the Chat GPT Plugin Store. It is a marketplace where users can browse and install plugins to enhance the functionality of Chat GPT. It's very similar in this sense to the Apple App Store or the Chrome Web Store. The purpose of the store is to provide additional features and interactions to Chat GPT, which allows users to customize their ChatGPT experience according to their needs. Now, there are a lot of different plugins available on the plugin store, and they allow you to do a lot of different things like web browsing, code interpretation. There are some great plugins for education, booking travel, and a lot of these plugins can access the internet, which enables users to bypass browsing issues and perform specific tasks directly within the ChatGPT interface. So plugins are a great feature to help you be more productive in everyday life. And now we're going to go over how to use them and how to install them. Now, in order to use the ChatGPT plugin store, you need to be subscribed to ChatGPT Plus. As you can see, I am. Plugins are only available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers, and they're only available on the GPT-4 interface. So in order to get to GPT-4, you're just going to want to click right here. And then you can see that plugins is available. It's still in beta, which is an important thing to note. So if there are glitches or limitations with this service, they will be ironed out by OpenAI. It's a feature that's still in beta. So you're going to want to click on plugins, and then there's a drop-down menu here that says no plugins enabled. You're going to want to click that, and then you will be able to access the plugin store from here. Now, as you can see, we are now on the plugin store. And there are a lot of different options. You can search by popular, new, all. You can also see plugins that you've already installed. As you can see, there are a lot of plugins available. In fact, there are 74 different menus of 8 plugins on the store. Now, let's say you want to install a plugin. Let's say I find one that I like. Let's say I want to install Video Insights. You install it. It takes no time at all to install. You go back to this menu, and you can see you just select it from there. And then you can type your message, and it will automatically enable the plugin in your query. So guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about the ChatGPT plugin store and how you can use it, please leave a comment down below and we will do our best to answer. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.